Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to overlay videos in CapCut on PC. Let's get started. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Now, let's jump straight into this tutorial. Here we are in CapCut on my PC. Just to clarify, this guide will work on both of the CapCut app and if you're using CapCut in your browser. The first thing we need to do is import or upload the videos that we want to overlay. Now simply drag and drop it into the timeline. I don't want this full video to be there. What I'm going to do is make it much shorter, like so. And that's just right. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is add the image I want to overlay on top of it. To make it an overlay, all you need to do is click and hold on the picture you want to overlay, then drag it up. As you can see, we've created a new track. There it is. Now it's on top of the other video. Then you need to go into the video preview. You can use the points on each corner of the picture to change its size. Simply tap on each corner to resize it. Additionally, you can use the scale tool on the right-hand side with the image selected to adjust the size. All you need to do is change it to the size you'd like and position it where you'd like it to be. You can add even more elements like videos, text, stickers, and various other items. Once you're finished, simply tap on Export in the top right corner. That's how you can add an overlay in CapCut PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.